Hi, I am Hasan Al Hariri, CEO of Dubai Astronomy Group. The objective and the goals of Mars mission or Hope mission to Mars is a very great than just scientific achievement. Going to Mars is a symbolic and motivator to our country, to the people of the Gulf nations, to the Arabic nations. All of this mission is carrying hope that we have better tomorrow. We can achieve a lot. We can do so much things. We have to dream big. Today, when we are going to the Mars, we are solving so many issues which we are facing today to the Earth. And there is a lot to be really looked at. So it's a build-up of a human. It's a story of a nation. It is a saga where new dreams will be charted, and definitely we are hoping for the better of the humankind at the end of the day. So this hope mission is a hope for all humankind that there is a better tomorrow for us, for sure. Scientific achievement of Hope probe is basically studying of the Mars in a total picture on daily basis, where we can understand the mechanism of the atmosphere. What today we see on Mars is something very contradictory. We see signs of water. We see there is an ice, but from CO2. We see so many things on Mars which indicated that the past of Mars was totally different. So we want to ask one question: what happened? How today we see dunes, we see deserts on Mars, and we don't see the water? We learned from Mars that the desert is being made by water, not by the wind. And that was very amazing to find it at Mars. But today we want to understand the mechanism. How does the atmosphere of Mars is changed over the time? So to do that, we have three different types of instruments. One is the one which we're going to probe for the upper atmosphere. The second will be from the middle atmosphere, and the third one will be the topographic and the lower atmosphere studying. This whole picture of three levels of Mars atmosphere will give us a great understanding, detailed understanding of what's going on Mars and what was Mars in past, and give us some explanation of what features and phenomena we see today on Mars. Why we are studying Mars? Mars is the most similar planet to the Earth currently in the solar system by far. What I mean by that? Mars have a land, Mars have an atmosphere, Mars have seasons. Mars is tilted on its axis like Earth on 25 degrees. Mars had water. Mars is looking today as a barren planet of desert. What happened? It opens more questions than it answers. And it resembles the Earth in case of we get our atmosphere changed. What about if we get the greenhouse effect? What about if we change our atmosphere so drastically that the water could escape to the space? Could Earth become Mars someday? How? You see, what we see through studying Mars is a detailed picture, scenarios of what could go wrong with Earth if we do not save Earth from our action. This is the most important part. It's not that we are talking about a hypothetical thing or something might happen, or we are trying to really look at the effect of humans today on Earth through a picture from the Mars. Mars gives us a lots of information in this area itself only. Besides much more things to study from geology point of view, from the atmospheric point of view, from different kind of details, which will again help us again to understand the rest of the solar system. The vision of the UAE is very prosperous and very amazing. Our rulers have given us a goal to build a city on Mars by 2117. 100 years from now almost, we have to build a city on Mars. That is a great challenge. We know today Mars is no place for humankind. So what it will require? A development of technology, development of methodologies, development of sociology, you name it. And we have to develop it. Staying in space for a long time, staying in low gravity, so many challenges we can see Mars poses over us to build a city there. So it's a vision of really developing new technologies to go and explore Mars and beyond, and really make a sense of space exploration. So the moon will be our next step, going to the Mars is next, going to the planets is next, going to the stars. So that's what I believe that our objective is. We are, as humankind, we are the explorers. And I think we can do it. If we put our mind and set our goals that we want to achieve something great like this, we can do it. And definitely we can learn a lot. And in the return of it, again, I'm emphasizing that we're going to develop ourselves and develop our communities and develop our countries and develop our planet Earth. That is a byproduct of going to the Mars. Having all of these dreams over Mars is actually development of our nations and humankind.